Alright, children, today we're going to be learning a little bit about math using superheroes. Alright, so this superhero is Batman. This superhero is Wonder Woman, even though she's not in a regular outfit. This is Black Panther, with something came out of him. This is Black Panther. And this is Captain Marvel. Alright, so the first poll, we're going to be doing Batman versus Wonder Woman. Okay, so I see 3 for Batman, and I see 3 for Wonder Woman. Alright, let me get a marker real quick. Alright, so Batman has up to 3 votes. I'm going to color that in. And Wonder Woman also has 3 votes. Okay, so it looks like there's a tie. Okay, moving on. Next, it is Black Panther versus Captain Marvel. Raise your hands for Black Panther. 1, 2, 3. And raise your hand for Captain Marvel. Also 3. Alright, so another tie. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, Black Panther gets 3. And Captain Marvel gets 3. Alright. Okay. Now. Alright, now the next one up is for Batman versus Black Panther. Alright, let's see. 1, 2. Alright, 2 votes for Batman. And 4 votes for Black Panther. Okay. Oh, wait. And okay. So we add 2 for Batman and 3 for Black Panther.
4. That was 4.
4. My bad. Okay, so Black Panther is the clear winner. Now, it's time for Captain Marvel versus Wonder Woman. Let's take a look here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Wonder Woman, and 1 for Captain Marvel. Okay then. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 for Captain Marvel. Okay. So tallying up the score, it looks like the votes were split evenly around the first half. And then, hang on, let me take a look at this. It's like the votes were split evenly in the first polls with a tie, and then later down the line, the boys voted for the boy superhero and the girls voted for the girl superhero. Not surprising. But in the DC versus Marvel poll, it looks like 7 beat 5. Alright, so it looks like Wonder Woman is clearly the popular character. Not surprising. Being able to fly and actually have actual superpowers is pretty good. Unlike Batman, his superpower is money. The very concept of money is this man. That makes him boring. Okay, well, thank you very much, children. And it looks like we've got a good poll. So let's review. Batman's total votes are 5. Wonder Woman's total votes are 8. And Black Panther's votes totaling at 7, beaten out by only Wonder Woman. And then Captain Marvel is the worst, apparently, with only clocking in at 4, just beaten by Batman. Alright, I think that's everything. Thank you very much, children. And did we learn anything? Yes, math is fun.